I know. Nobody gets a pet. See if she's out.
So how do we know if the queen's out?
I'm gonna have to pull it up and look
Well,
at her. She's not out.
nope, she's still there.
I'm gonna give him a little more time to take her out, I think. Hmm?
I don't know, how much time should you give
I'll
her?
give her another day.
Okay.
She's a great expert who knows nothing.
But they're certainly congregating right around that cage.
Yes. It's really stupid. I spilled it. I only squashed one yesterday, so I guess I didn't do too bad. It seems that I killed one. No, I killed more than one. Very stupid.